How to enhance image with AI. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit Nordy. Once the website opens, click on the Sign In button in the top right corner and log in using your Google account. If you're using Nordy for the first time, you'll receive free credits, allowing you to try its AI tools without paying anything. After signing in, click on the search bar, type 8K Upscaler, and press Enter. You'll see several 8K Upscaler options. Select any one of them. Next, click the Run button to open the tool. Then click Upload and choose the photo you want to enhance. For the best results, you'll need a detailed prompt describing your image. Open the Image to Prompt website, select the Image to Prompt option, and upload the same photo. Then click Generate Prompt. Within a few seconds, the website will generate a detailed prompt based on your image. Copy the generated prompt and return to the 8K Upscaler. Paste the prompt into the description box, then click Create to begin the enhancement process. Now, wait a few moments while the AI processes your image. Once the enhancement is complete, click Download to save your new ultra-high-quality 8K image to your device. And that's it! Your ordinary photo has now been transformed into a sharp, detailed, ultra-high-quality 8K image in just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.